Here's a 2006 Saab 9-3. Always a leader in innovation, Saab gives the 9-3 standard high-tech amenities, including a multi-function remote, front seat whiplash protection, multi-zone climate control, and a premium audio system with steering wheel controls and audio-video input.
The memory seats will adjust to your preferred position so you are always riding comfortably. The rain-sensing wipers remove rain, snow, or debris automatically. The high-quality leather trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive.
This sensational 9-3 is bold and fearless, willing to take you to new heights in safety, style, and performance. Come on in today and see it for yourself. We're conveniently located at 5240 Gulf Road in Skokie, Illinois.
More